Let us repair. Fire truck. Lifeboat. Firefighting helicopter. Police car. Excavator. Crane. Combine. Road roller. Tank. Hovercraft. Destroyer. Fighter. Oh. Crane. Tractor. Excavator. Road roller. Combine. Hooray! Lifeboat. Ambulance. Police car. Fire truck. Firefighting helicopter. Amazing! Armored personnel carrier. Tank. Destroyer. Fighter. Hovercraft. You're doing really great. Choose a way for the ambulance to get to the hospital. Drag the ambulance. Choose a road for the crane to get to the construction site. Drag the crane. Let's help the fire truck. Drag the fire truck. That's all. Choose the right road for the road roller to get to the construction office. Drag the road roller. Choose a road for the tractor to get to the farm. Drag the tractor. Choose the correct way for the police car to drag the police car. Amazing! Guide the hovercraft to the base. Drag the hovercraft onto the correct path. Drag the hovercraft. You need to choose a different road. Drag the hovercraft. Let's help the destroyer get to the port. Drag the destroyer onto the destroyer. Guide the lifeboat to the rescue station. Drag the lifeboat. Keep up the good work.